Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of gel coating. First time ever. So, gel coat repair. The swim step has got a bunch of chips in it. That it's gotten from scuba diving and boating and all sorts of stuff hitting it. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and try my hand at color matching and actually getting some of the chips in the swim step repaired. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so we got sandpaper, gel paste, and let's see here, we got that little kit with some brown and some black and some white and looks like some hardener in there and some stir sticks. Only two though. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more than two. I'll break them in half, make four. Woohoo! Let's see here. I've got some plastic, which I'm not sure what this is for. And we're going to find out. And some instructions. Okay, so I've done a little reading. Got my reading glasses on. Can't read anything without them. Anyways, there's a couple of things I'm missing that I don't have. One is acetone. The other is a way of measuring the amount of gel coat paste that I'm using, because that's going to be important, because I need to know that so I can get the proper amount of drops of hardener into the paste. And I think I need some 600 grit sandpaper, which I don't have. And I found out what this is for. This is to cover the repair until it dries. Alright, well, let's take a look at the area that I'm going to be repairing. Yep. Okay, we're on the swim step, and there's quite a few chips in this swim step. I'll show you a couple of them. There's one right there, pretty good size one, and then there's one right there. That's a good one, size one too. So one right there also. And then over here. So this thing's pretty banged up. But that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still need to go get my supplies, so I'm going to go do that. And then we'll come back and take a look at this, cleaning this stuff up and trying to get it patched. Okay, I've gone over 3 little areas here that I'm gonna, try my hand at first. And what I did was I used a little sandpaper, roughed them up a little bit, and then wiped them down with some acetone and a little rag, and then taped them off with the blue painter's tape. Now I got to try to mix up some paste and see if I can match the color, which is, this off-white. So the resin itself is just kind of like I don't know, what do you say, pinkish color. Now I'm going to mix in some white and then maybe a little brown. So I've just mixed in a little white, and that's it. And then took a little dab of it and put it on the tape right next to the gel coat, and to see if it's close, and it's close. As they say in the business, it might be good enough for government work because it's a swim step. I'm going to mix in a little brown and see if I can get a little bit closer. I put in just a drop of brown, and it did, you know, darken it up a bit. Put a spot over here, and so this second spot right here is the one with the brown in it. Can't really tell with this camera, of course. It's not good enough, but I don't know. I think I'm going to go with just the white. Okay, I've got the gel coat on each one, and got it covered up with that little plastic stuff. And now it's just going to have to dry. So, I think I have a lot of sanding in my future. Okay, it's been a couple hours, and I just removed the tape, and it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it. So, I don't know if you can see this very well, but the white really is pretty white. And it's right here, and right here, and right here. And I think when I you know, sand this down a little bit, it'll be much nicer, but it's pretty good thick, you know, pieces that I put in there, but it's very white. And so I'm going to give it a little sanding, see how it comes out. This one kind of came out not so great because there's a little dip in there, and there's a little pocket right there. Okay, well, I've done a little bit of sanding. Let's see right in here, and it's okay, you know. The other repair is, where is it? Right there, and there's one here. But you can see I've gone ahead and played a bunch of stuff right there, and so right there and right there, and I'll sand those tomorrow. I learned a lot on this first excursion into gel coating. If I would have gone with my other color match, it would have been better. Just using a drop of brown in there would have been just about perfect. So color matching, need to do a little bit more experimenting with that. But overall, pretty good. And there's not going to be any water getting into the swim step right there on those little chips. So that's a good thing. So not bad. Looking forward to doing some more in the future. I got plenty of resin left over, or paste, gel paste, and hardener and color and all that stuff. So I can start doing other little areas on the boat. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. There's going to be a lot more boat maintenance and diving, taking folks out this summer, this spring. It's going to be a lot of folks and a lot of fun, and want you to come along with. So please hit the subscribe button. Next week I'll be taking the boat to San Pedro Harbor and tying up to the public docks next to the USS Iowa.